To add Zelle to Linktree, start by logging into your Linktree account and navigating to the link creation page. Click on the Add New Link button and select the payment option from the list of available choices. From the payment options, choose Zelle as your preferred method and enter the required information, including your name and email address associated with your Zelle account. You will also need to provide a description for the link, which should clearly indicate that it is for Zelle payments. Next, you need to obtain your Zelle recipient information, which can usually be found in the Zelle app or on the Zelle website. This information typically includes a unique identifier or a QR code that you can share with others. To receive payments, copy and paste the Zelle recipient information into the Linktree link creation page and save the changes. Your Zelle link is now live and can be shared with others through your Linktree profile. When sharing your Linktree profile, make sure to clearly communicate that the Zelle link is for payments only and provide any necessary instructions or guidelines for senders. It is also a good idea to test the link to ensure it is working correctly and make any necessary adjustments before sharing it with a large audience. By following these steps, you can easily add Zelle to your Linktree and start receiving payments from others. Remember to always follow best practices for sharing payment information and to use Linktree and Zelle in accordance with their terms of service.